Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning the ignition to ACC or on so the head unit powers up. This lets the system scan for devices. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and discoverable. This is required so the car can see it. Next, on the Maruti infotainment system, select the phone or Bluetooth menu and choose Pair New Device. You do this now to create the initial connection that allows calls and audio streaming. You should see your phone's name appear on the car display. Tap it to initiate pairing, because the unit will then exchange a PIN with your device. Make sure the code shown on both the head unit and your phone matches, then accept or confirm on each. This prevents accidental connections. After pairing, allow permissions on your phone for contacts and media so calls and music work properly. Once permissions are granted, the devices will finalize the secure link. You finish by designating your phone as the primary device if the system asks, which ensures automatic reconnect later. Then test by making a call and playing audio to confirm call's route through the car and music plays from the correct media source. Adjust volumes on both phone and head unit as needed. If the pairing fails, clear previous pairings on both devices, restart your phone and the infotainment system, and repeat the process. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.